Greetings from another secluded nudist beach spot in the nature reserve of Stockholm on Lake Drevviken, right next to the spot, one small jetty that it's called Drevviken Nature Spot, but a bit more secluded than that. And obviously on Lake Drevviken, but I believe it's part of Flaten Nature Reserve as such. And we have today's 16th of August, currently 4 p.m. and the hot weather, it seems like, have disappeared. So yesterday was the last hot day for the season, and it seems that we're gonna have unstable weather in the upcoming week with lots of wind, some rain, and temperatures lower than 20 degrees Celsius. So I'm catching the last rays of sunshine that there are today and hiding behind the clouds, but it is mostly cloudy today. Despite this morning it was super sunny, but I was doing body pump exercise and I was swimming for 1 kilometer, 29 minutes, almost half an hour in my local swimming pool. So it seems that there won't be any more sun, so I'm just gonna go ahead with the main segment further of the beach adventure. My squat bike got me here, and 11 kilometers away from my home I am at this beautiful spot that's secluded in the forest, and it's definitely clothing optional as such, overlooking beautiful secluded cliffs on the other side as well. Yes, so it seems like the summer is about to end, but the beach adventures will continue all the way to the winter for sure, because that's what I love to do, and hopefully there will be some beach adventures outside of Sweden soon on my channel, so stay tuned for that. But these wonderful cliffs have sun until 4 p.m. at this time of the year, and now we have some even more sun. So you know what, let's check first the temperature before I go in. This is Lake Drevviken, and I think it should be above 20 degrees for sure, but it has been a while since I have been swimming in Lake Drevviken. It's quite a huge lake, but it might have been warmed up in the recent days where we had a heat wave here in Stockholm. I just love this type of untouched nature. It looks also a bit messy, but it's beautiful indeed. And for the moment of truth, "21.5", but we're gonna round up to 21 degrees. Still very decent, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do some swimming as I already did in the pool, but it looks very inviting to swim to the other side and back over here. It looks beautiful. So let's see, I may be doing that. And now here it's a bit trickier to get inside, but not impossible. And I'm gonna get help of these rocks over here, so it's going to be perfect. I think someone has put some rocks over here to make it easier to get into the Lake Drevviken, where I also do some ice skating. One of these frozen lake, indeed. All right, so another swim in the beautiful Swedish nature. Ready, set, and go! Woo! It's amazing. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful nature all around. and I'm catching the last rays of sunshine, because now it's getting sunset. It's around 8, so it has gone from almost 10 to 8 p.m. in less than in almost a month. So the day is getting shorter for sure, but still it's gonna be quite long until end of October, and I am definitely going to be doing a lot more beach adventure. But yeah, I think I'm gonna still swim half an hour here. It looks amazing to swim back and forth to those rocks. And yeah, then that's a wrap from Drevviken Naturist spot, this secluded nudist beach over here. Thanks so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.